we're gonna get this going. And I'll explain what I'm gonna do along the way. You'll see. Basically gonna cut all this rust off. I'm gonna ghetto fill the rest. Let's see. All right, let's get to the scraping here. So, someone with no body repair experience is gonna try and do some body repair, but that's what we do. We take a chance, we try it. If it don't work, you know what, we learn and we do it again. At least we did it ourselves and we know maybe what to do next time that could be better. Because guaranteed there's gonna be a lot of things here I should do better next time, but I'm not really gonna know until after I do it, I guess, if that makes sense. Adhesive, self-adhesive stuff. What I did was I kind of cut a piece that I kind of slid in between the outer shell, or the outer panel and the inner panel. There's a little bit of a space in there. Kind of shoved it in between the two and formed it pretty much to where I want it. It's probably going to be more than I need, but it's perfect. Whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is like a little experiment that I wanted to see if I could make it work. Marshmallow fenders. Alright. So basically, I mean, I used to have a fender here. Now I don't. It rusted away. I peeled off and I sanded everything that was bad. Took all the crap out. Gave it a coat of the Pour 15 and all the rust. And then I squirted in expandable foam. You can see all up in here. There's expandable foam. And what I plan to do is I'm going to cut this back with a knife and kind of get it back into somewhat of a shape, somewhat of a shape that I'm going to use, and a little bit less. And then once I get it into kind of a rough shape, I'll fiberglass over that, and then Bondo over that, body filler, and we'll smooth it out. And I should have a mostly functional looking fender-ish. This could be bad. This could be a mess, but I don't really got many other options, and having a body shop do this is just out of the cards. Is to use some fiberglass resin. Like I said, I'm going to do a little bit by a little bit with the fiberglass. I'm going to get a little fiberglass of it. plan is to get this, I kind of just wanted to get material on there. It's really hard to work with. It's obviously crazy sticky. That looks good. And eventually it'll harden. Probably it's gonna take a while. I did this side over here without the foam, and it's pretty hard right now. Yeah. All right, this is 1 day later. I pulled this away, so when that lines up, now all I have to do is just come in here with a little bit of Bondo. It's quite thick already. Let's get to mixing. I'm just gonna go at it. And I'm just gonna actually hit it onto this one because I want to get this material on. So this first batch right here, I'm just banging it out. Alright, well, we saw all that work, and actually it's looking pretty good. I got a low spot right here I gotta fill in, a low spot here. I think that's probably fine, and a slight spot right there. But I'm just that and probably end this spot, that spot. And this front one, obviously there's a low spot in the middle, and then if I tape that up and get that line, fill that, sand that out, that's actually gonna be pretty dang good.
I've got blue souls, cause I'm way gone, trying to find my way back home. Count my spoons as in desert crumbs spoon. Gonna turn all of my stones.
Rock bottom make the man, and some pressure make a gemstone. Trying to put $1 to my name, like Creflo. Not your boy, late to the game, it's in the blood flow. And I'm from the south, it's thick skin and tough bone. Big attitude through big lips with gusto. Trust no kings, that's why they tried to crush souls. But it's IGBO, when the dust blow, this old head be standing there. No silver, just gold. Crack no books on the hustle, I was born to grind. Yo, scared of your potential, I'm adorned with mine. 30 times around the sun, man, of course I shine. My legacy will not dwarf with time. And in my daughter's eyes, it's basic, I must not say quit. Every day sees a present like a Rob St. Nick. Walk a fine line between tenacious and patient. I can't slip, I'm fighting clocks and they can't win.
I've got blue souls, cause I'm way grown, trying to find my way back home. Count my spoons as in desert crumbs flow. I'm gonna turn all of my stones. I've got
you know, breaking status quo, reaping what I sow. Artistry like Van Gogh, get it from my mama, hip so thick that I need tempo. Personality, spicy body banging like a bongo. Cause black women been it since Timbuktu, since Pharaoh. Sponge rollers and hot combs, lips, cheeks and brow bones. If you ain't for the culture, then please stay out of my zone. These little dummy rappers could never grace my headphones. See, I'm from a place in space where ain't no stories telling, you just had to have been there. If you want the battle, ain't no problem, say where. I got so much experience, I can't even play fair. But I'ma keep evolving and growing and hurting feelings and showing. You need endurance to go in. I got mileage on it.
You can kind of see it right there. This is a high spot right there. And right here is a low one.
That I did.
Got bruised souls, cause I'm way grown. Trying to find my way back home. Count my bones as in desert crumbs flow. I'm gonna turn all of my stones. I got bruised souls, cause I'm way grown. Trying to find my way back home. Who that soldier in the mirror? Oh,
Yo, I think that's it. A little bit more sanding and then we're good. I'm looking to have this thing painted in the next week, so follow me, stay with me. I need your support because, man, I'm getting tired of this. No, actually I enjoy it. This has actually been a super cool process, but I'm excited because I want it done because I want to go drive more. But at the same time, I like the process, so I'm in like a catch-22. You hear? You heard me? It's like, I don't know, I like doing the work because it's totally satisfying. But at the same time, I want to drive. So I don't know how those two can go together, but I need to drive. And I only got this car. This is my fun car. So I'm gonna let it, it's a little messy, but don't worry, I'm gonna sand that out. I gave it a little bit more material in it so I can get that edge nice and clean. This is gonna be perfect. Dash is gonna need a light sand and make sure it's nice and smooth going across there. And then that's gonna be set. And then I've got all the other things all done, all sanded and ready to go. Okay, now that is gonna be the video, okay? Stay with me, because here's the thing, it all could be worth it, and then you get to the end and who knows how it's gonna come out. But it's something I wanted to do and now I'm getting it done. So thanks for tuning in. Check me out, Johnny Turbo. Subscribe, like, I don't know, whatever, what all those things you're supposed to do. I just want this done. I fucking love this car. If it does come out though the way that I'm expecting or hoping, it's gonna be bitchin', it's gonna be sick. So there you go, peeps. We're making it done in a leaky portable garage with, like I said, it's got asphalt on this side, we got dirt on that side. I got my own trench to get the water out. I got my little sunroof up there. I got a hole in the roof because a branch fell on it. I'm making it happen and I'm psyched. Check me out, stay with me, more videos to come. I'm trying to ramp up, get more out there, so that's what we're doing. This is what this is, all right? Thanks again. All right, Johnny Turbo. We're out. Till next time, all right? Go, peace. Come back, go watch more videos on YouTube. Do whatever you gotta do today, all right? Oh, man, I cannot wait. All right, I'm out, guys. Peace.
Rock bottom make the man and some pressure make a gemstone. Trying to put $1 to my name like Creflo. Not the boy late